If you're not using AI to make money in 2025, you're already falling behind. In this video, I'll show you 10 AI tools that anyone can use to start making money today. Number one is ChatGPT. You can use it to write blog posts, ebooks, and scripts, then sell your service on Fiverr or Upwork. People are making $50 to $200 per job doing this. Pictory AI turns your script into a full video with visuals and voiceover, no editing needed. Leonardo.ai helps you create stunning images for thumbnails, ads, and even NFTs. People are selling these online and building portfolios using AI.
Want voiceovers without using your own voice? Murph and 11 Labs create natural voices you can use for YouTube, Reels, or podcasts.
You've probably used Canva, but with Magic Studio, you can generate full designs, brand kits, and videos with just text prompts. Jasper helps you write killer sales pages, email campaigns, and product descriptions, all powered by AI. It's a goldmine for freelancers and marketers. Want a virtual presenter for your video or course? Synthesia.io lets you create talking avatars that explain anything in over 60 languages.
If you're into blogging, Surfer SEO tells you exactly how to rank on Google. Combine it with ChatGPT and offer premium SEO writing services.
Durable.co can build a website for any business in under 60 seconds. You can flip websites or offer web design services using just AI. Last one, OpusClip and Video.ai. These tools cut your long videos into viral short-form content, perfect for growing fast on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram. There you go, 10 powerful AI tools you can use to start earning in 2025. Comment below which tool you're trying first. Hit that like button. Need more information on how to use these AI tools? Comment and I will do detailed videos. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more videos like this.